Yeah, sound Sultan and Ninja.
Very sad news, guys. The entertainment industry in Nigeria have lost yet another person. This time around is the singer popularly known as Sound Sultan. The family released a statement this morning saying that he died on July 11th after a long battle with throat cancer. This is so sad. You know, July 11th, that means he died today. Today is July 11th, 2021. So he died today, this morning, actually. And the singer is survived by a wife and 3 children. This is a very, very sad one, really. I don't know what is happening. God. Oh. I have to read it to you guys exactly as the family wrote it. So his family wrote, "In our hearts forever, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪 November 27th, 1976 to July 11, 2021. It is with heavy hearts that we announce the passing of multi-talented veteran singer, rapper, songwriter 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪 aka Sound Sultan. He passed away at the age of 44 following a hard-fought battle with angioimmunoblastic T-cells lymphoma. He is survived by his wife, 3 children, and his siblings. We, his family, will appreciate the utmost privacy as we come to grips with this tragic loss." Oh my God, this is so sad. So sad. 44 with 3 children. I pray that God gives his soul eternal rest and console the family that he left behind. May he continue to rest in peace.